Hello everyone, today I'm here with a healthy recipe. Yes, Quinoa vegetable pilaf. Let's get to the recipe. 1 cup of dry rajma into the instant pot and 2 cups of water. Cover the lid and pressure cook on a high pressure for about 30 to 35 minutes. The convenience of instant pot is you don't need to soak the beans. Yes. After 35 minutes, let the pressure go down and look at it. It's completely cooked. Strain this and set aside. And again in the instant pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin seeds and whole garam masala and fry for a minute. Once nice aroma comes, add 1 large onion chopped. I have added extra some shallots with it. Fry for a minute. Next add some chopped garlic. I have added 5 to 6 big cloves of garlic and fry for a minute. Now add some chili powder and coriander powder. I always have them mixed. Some turmeric and half a tablespoon of garam masala powder. Add salt to taste. Give it a nice mix and switch off the instant pot so that the masalas doesn't burn. Add the quinoa to the instant pot. I have added 2 cups of quinoa and give it a nice mix. Add water. The ratio is 1:1, so I have added 2 cups of water here. Mix it nicely and check for the salt. Remember, still the instant pot is switched off. Now add all your vegetables. I have added mixed vegetables like frozen and fresh. Without mixing the vegetables, cover the lid and pressure cook at high for 2 minutes. Let the pressure release naturally. Open the lid. Gently give it a mix. Look how beautifully it is done. As the vegetables were not mixed in with the quinoa, it is not overcooked. Now we can add the broccoli florets and mix it well. So the broccoli will get cooked in the heat itself. So no need to add it in the initial stage. After mixing in the broccoli, add the rajma which we cooked in the earlier stage and mix it well. That's it. Your healthy vegetable quinoa pilaf is ready. Enjoy!